Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the monthly review column of China's carbon trading market. I am Zhou Weijia, the host of this program. Let's take a look at China's carbon trading market monthly review of April 2023. In the Chinese carbon market, carbon rice price of the current month began to deviate from 56 yuan per ton, with two significant drops, cumulatively down by 1.79%. The cumulative trading volume of carbon quota has again declined from the previous month, but still exceeded the level of million tons, with 1.052 million tons. As of April 28, 2023, there have been a total of 434 trading days in the Chinese carbon market, with a cumulative trading volume of about 234 million tons, a total turnover of 10.72 billion yuan, and an average trading price of 45.77 yuan. The average trading price was 52.68 yuan, a decrease of 0.1% compared to the previous month. Meanwhile, the trading volume reached 1.053 million tons, down 19.5% month-on-month. Based on the carbon permit closing price, the carbon quota price of this month began to deviate from 56 yuan per ton, experiencing two sharp drops at the beginning and end of the month. The lowest point almost fell below the 50 yuan per ton platform, reaching 50.52 yuan per ton. Although the price of carbon rebounded after both declines, the trend was different. Specifically, after the first drop in carbon price, it quickly rebounded, showing a deep V trend. However, on April 20th, the carbon price reached 53.4 yuan per ton, and then began to move sideways and slowly rise, as shown in Figure 1. This indicates that the price center of 56 yuan per ton has weakened, and its pulling force on the carbon price may have been reduced. In terms of carbon trading volume, this month's trading volume in the market has decreased again from the previous month, but it still remains above the level of 1 million tons, reaching 1.053 million tons, as shown in Figure 2, of which 1 million tons of carbon trading were reached through bulk agreement trading. Based on the trading volume data in recent months, it can be found that the market trading volume has exceeded 1 million tons for 3 consecutive months, indicating a good trading status. However, it is worth noting that the periodicity is still the main trading characteristic, and high trading volume is only concentrated on individual trading days. Thus, it is necessary to accelerate market reforms and stimulate the trading enthusiasm of enterprises. Next, let's compare the performance of China's various carbon markets this month based on the ISLCS China Carbon Market Composite Evaluation Index. Overall, with the exception of the national and Guangdong carbon markets, the comprehensive evaluation scores of the other carbon markets have all increased to varying degrees compared to the previous month. The Shanghai carbon market saw the largest increase, rising from 0.349 to 0.443. The Tianjin carbon market scored the highest, reaching 0.511 points. In terms of market size, in April, the transaction volume of the national carbon market decreased by about 20%, but still remained higher than other carbon markets, reaching about 55.46 million yuan. The Fujian carbon market had the largest trading volume, reaching 2.28 million tons, and their market size scores were 0.845 and 0.529 points, respectively. From a market structure perspective, the transaction volume of the Fujian carbon market accounted for a large proportion of the annual transaction volume, reaching 27.32%, and its market structure scores reached 0.589. In terms of market value, the average transaction price of the Beijing carbon market dropped significantly from the previous month to 73.71 per ton. The carbon price in the Guangdong carbon market was relatively stable, with average transaction price of 81.09 yuan per ton. Their market value scores were 0.785 and 0.809, respectively. Regarding market activity, the turnover rate in the Fujian carbon market was relatively high. The trading concentration in the Beijing, Tianjin, and Shanghai carbon markets was relatively low. The effective trading days in the Guangdong, Hubei, and Fujian carbon markets reached 100%. Therefore, the market activity scores of the Beijing, Tianjin, Guangdong, Shanghai, Hubei, and Fujian carbon markets were relatively high. From a market volatility perspective, the carbon prices in the Tianjin and Hubei carbon markets were relatively stable with the smallest of fluctuations, and their market volatility scores were relatively high at 0.992 and 0.89 points, respectively. That's all for this month's review of China's carbon trading market. If you are interested in this program, please scan this QR code on the screen and follow our school's WeChat official account. You may find the daily and weekly updated review column of China's carbon trading market. Thank you for watching and see you next time.